We saw the power of groups as we built the architecture and placed it on the building, but groups can also be used for visual items such as landscaping. Let's show you how that can be done. When you hit groups and press read, you'll see we keep two landscape directories. One is if you're doing actual landscape plans, which you'd want to be in bold, or a fine landscaping. So what fine landscape does is it will draw the line work less bold, so you're using it more for effect on the site. So I'm going to take and pull up a tree. I'm going to flag it for graphics only. I can hit the up and the down arrow to take and locate that tree, and see these blue lines? Those are my view sheds. So I really don't want to bring a tree right in front of a window. So that's part of the things that you could do and that we teach in the system. So we could place the trees, resize them for the drawing or for the effect, and then take and read more of these in if you want. So let's take and create some shrubs, and what we mean by for graphics only means that you won't be able to snap to these items and use them for geometry by mistake. So what you do is you use the design elements here and then build up your plan. One of the things that's done in planning is the use of tree stamps and such to actually hide the open space. What we do in performance planning system is we teach you how to make more efficient design, so you don't have to hide the fact that you don't have little open space. We teach you how to create the space by paving less. So what you might want to do is not use these features to be so dominant. So that's why this transparency button here can allow you to choose what you want in a transparency factor to take and soften the effect of the landscaping. So what you've done is you've included it in the plan. It doesn't hit you as the main focus of the design. Now the buildings are really what pops out. You want to take a look at, hey, from the kitchen, from the living room, look at the views. And again, performance planning system is the only system on the market that will teach you how to do this instead of teach you how to press a function button. Also included in your performance planning system is a variety of miscellaneous groups. For example, if I wanted to put a 10 kilowatt Berge wind generator on the site, I could take and look at the different areas where it would fit, including the guy wires for the generator, and say we could actually put this generator here in the rear yard and not encroach in anybody's yard space. So that would be included as part of this groups that you have with the system. Also included is solar panels and boats and aircraft and play fields and gazebos and other items. Airport planners will appreciate the different graphics that's included that would have a variety of aircraft. For example, these are DC-9s. We can place a Learjet on the site, maybe even a TBM aircraft, which is a turboprop private aircraft, and really what you've got is a drawing that's going to be a whole lot more impressive, and yet none of this takes any memory in the computer because we're using it for graphics only. And again, when you're looking at the drawing, keep in mind you are actually looking at physical exact coordinate geometry, and that departs from your typical GIS or CAD system.